Caribbean jerk wings. So in my blender here, some honey, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce. Sorry, that's soy sauce. Oh, but this is tamari sauce. So
Here
you know,
today, gone tamari.
if you're not into glutens, you can get the tamari and not soy, and
right.
it's good for you. You guys are so fancy up in here. Some fennel seed goes in.
Oh, I love that.
You need the fennel seed, a little bit of cayenne pepper.
Nice.
Because jerk chicken is like all levels. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's
That's
tangy.
right.
You gotta hit all parts. Allspice,
Allspice.
a Jamaican spice, some ground thyme. I say the powder, you know, the powdery
me too.
ground.
Me too.
Yeah, yeah.
Not the leaves,
Not
the powder.
the leaves.
Yeah.
Some ground ginger. You're more than welcome to do some, you know, fresh ginger, but that works.
No, I think that, why not use up what's in the pantry?
Yeah, yeah. Some garlic, some scallions.
Yum.
White and green. Some brown sugar. Hey, look, we have a habanero here.
Wow.
We just want half of it. And you'll notice I'm not really touching it because if
You'd
you
be real
touch
careful.
it,
That's
yeah,
right.
you don't want to touch anything for the rest of the day. So just
But
get
that
that
is
in
very
there.
traditional, habanero pepper in it.
Yep.
And
Little bit
vinegar, of course, yep.
Apple cider vinegar. Then I
And
just
then your
go in
citrus.
here, my citrus. It's a little orange, a little lime.
Let me squeeze one for you to get the other one.
Yeah, I just need 2 tablespoons of each, really.
Oh, then you only need like half.
Yeah, yeah, just about half. Oh, I saw this video online the other day.
Yeah.
Where they were trying to get the yum out of the lime, and they did it like this.
Oh, they turned it inside out?
They turned it inside out.
Dang!
Yeah, and then they went like that.
Woo!
I didn't make it up. It was on the internet. I'm not
It's
clever.
still legit.
I saw it on Instagram.
Still legit.
Okay, so you're gonna blitz that up.
I got you.
And then that's gonna turn into our marinade and our sauce, okay? Gotcha. You didn't really have to blitz it up, it's already made.
Never mind.
So
Never mind.
I've got the wings in here. Rachel, guess what? These are real wings.
The whole way.
The whole wing. I'm so sick and tired of going to a restaurant, ordering wings, and doing the math. Like,
And you just
you send me
get
6
little
pieces,
bits.
it's not 6 wings. It's a flat, it's a drummy, but it doesn't add up. Okay, so you're gonna let this marinate overnight or on the countertop for 2 hours. And
Gotcha.
then they're gonna come out like this. Pat them dry, get them onto
Pat
your
out
sheet.
the excess.
Some parchment. We've got the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, okay? And then remember the marinade that we made, keep a little bit to the side.
Right.
You're gonna cook it down for 10 minutes on the stove.
Second.
Yeah, just brush it
away.
on. That's just gonna like reinforce the flavor. It's already soaked in it, but we like that finger licking good. Back into the oven at 400 degrees this time.
Down here then? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
girl. You see it. You look
I
ahead.
see it. It's glorious.
What?
Look at these.
Got it? And then just
Oh, my God.
get them on. Touchdown, baby.
So, do we have a still of the Infladium?
Oh, yes,
telling
my
you before,
baby.
She brought this to the world. You see that? That's called an Infladium.
Yeah.
So you can make your own food football stadium
Yeah.
for Super Bowl.
It blows
she
up.
She invented it.
I invented it. Yeah. Listen, I just like snack stadiums, but I'm too lazy to make it in my garage, and I didn't have cardboard. So I was like, maybe I'm not the only one. So I sketched it, and I did a little research and the engineering on it, and I went to Party City, and now it's available for everybody. So you can get an inflatable snack stadium. Our friends at Party City want to make sure that you guys have everything you need for the Super Bowl, Infladium included. So they sent everyone a $100 gift card.